In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord. So first thing you want to do is head to an internet browser and you want to come over to Google and we're just going to type in VoiceMod. Then come over to voicemod.net and then just scroll down the page and we want to select get VoiceMod free. Now in order to download this, you'll need to first create an account. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account, and once the file is finished downloading, then we can double click to run it. Select the language that you want to use. Press next, accept the agreement and hit next. Select where you want the application to be saved to and hit next. And I like to keep both of these checked and hit next and then hit install. So once the installation is complete, make sure launch VoiceMod is selected and then hit finish. Come over to get started and it will take you to this login page and you just need to log in with your account. Once we've activated our account, then we can hit next, and you want to select the microphone that you have installed on your computer. It's important to select the same microphone that you're also using for Discord. So for me, it's this microphone Yeti one at the top here, and you can also select your headphones. For me, I'm just using my laptop speakers, so I'm going to select that, and then we can hit next, then press start using VoiceMod. Now inside of here, you can select the voice that you want to use. So for example, let's say I want to use this narrator one here. And you can press this Hear Myself button at the bottom here to test what the voice sounds like. The last thing you need to do is launch up the Discord application. Head over to the user settings in the bottom left here. And we need to come into voice and video. Inside of the input device, we want to select our VoiceMod, which is the top one here. And for the output device, you want to select your speakers. Make sure not to select the VoiceMod for this one, so I've got my laptop speakers selected. And then we can scroll down and we need to make sure we disable automatically determine input sensitivity. And then come down some more. We also want to disable echo cancellation. We want to make sure noise suppression is set to none. And we also want to make sure automatic gain control is switched off. And then we can press the escape key. And that's it guys, that's how to change your voice in Discord. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.